Over 50. Do you wake up feeling completely stiff, with rusty joints that hold you back? Don't force yourself into intense workouts. Let's use this 18-minute gentle Tai Chi to melt stiffness, safely repair joints, and naturally boost calorie burn to trim belly fat. Reclaim your body's youthful freedom and ease. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Spine twisting lotus flow. Form a circle with your arms. Gently twist to the left back with eyes following your hand. Then repeat to the right. This smooth motion gently releases deep spinal tension and stimulates full body circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Rising sun kinetic swing. Rise onto your tiptoes with straight arms overhead, then swing them downward fluidly. This dynamic movement safely elevates your heart rate to boost calorie burn and tone belly fat while warming up lower body joints. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Extended wings balance flow. Extend your arms straight out with palms facing, then rise onto your tiptoes as you open them flat to the sides. This builds core control and calf strength to enhance your stability and prevent accidental falls. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Side step fluid arm stretch. Step backward and to the side, placing one hand on your hip while swinging the other overhead. This movement targets shoulder repair and hip mobility, increasing joint flexibility while supporting core control. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Chest expanding breath flow. Overlap your hands in front of your chest with bent arms. Then open them flat to the sides while expanding your chest using deep breaths. This deeply opens the rib cage, enhances lung capacity, and releases shoulder stiffness. 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Soaring Eagle Balance Stretch. Rise onto your tiptoes while spreading your arms wide like a soaring eagle. This powerful stretch activates deep core stability, builds ankle strength for balance, and promotes upper body joint repair. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Heavenly Circle Spine Extension. Stand with straight arms, cross them in front of your chest and draw a circle upward, gently tilting your head back. This expands the chest, improves neck mobility, and releases stubborn shoulder stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Knee raise mobility twist. Place your bent arms in front of your chest. Raise your left knee as you twist your body left. Then repeat on the right side. Feel the deep stretch in your lower back and hips, enhancing joint flexibility and burning core fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Bow stance, alternating arm circles. Step into a safe bow stance with straight arms, alternating drawing large circles on both sides. This dynamic movement targets shoulder joint repair while engaging your legs to boost full body calorie burn. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Side bend, toe touch flow. Gently bend sideways and alternate reaching down with your fingertips toward your toes on each side. This deeply stretches the waist and hamstrings, releasing lower back stiffness and improving joint mobility. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Alternating shoulder roll and release. Roll your left shoulder from front to back and swing the arm down, then switch sides. This unblocks the shoulder meridian, stimulates local circulation, and effectively releases neck and upper back tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Overhead stretch to gentle squat. Extend your arms straight overhead with palms facing. Then transition into a gentle half squat as your hands slowly lower to your chest. This flow strengthens your knees and thighs while calming the nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Heavenly palm spine alignment. Interlace your fingers in front of your chest. Flip your palms upward overhead and gently tilt your head back. This deeply stretches the spine, expands the chest, and unblocks upper body stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Fluid hip lubricating circle. Place your hands on your hips, take a wide step, and rotate your hips in large circles, alternating clockwise and counterclockwise. This lubricates the pelvic joints, improves hip mobility, and releases lower back tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Meridian tapping waist twist. Swing your arms smoothly from side to gently tap around your waist, letting your body and head turn naturally. This unblocks vital meridians, stimulates blood circulation, and deeply releases core stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Dynamic hip twist and arm swing. Twist your hips left and right while keeping your arms straight, swinging them dynamically up and down. This targets hip joint repair while engaging your core muscles to boost full body calorie burn and tone belly fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Sky to earth kinetic stretch. Stand tall with arms straight overhead, then bend forward and fluidly swing your arms downward. This full body stretch safely reduces lower back stiffness while elevating your heart rate to optimize calorie burn. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Golden Lotus Opening Flow. Cross your hands in front of your chest in a half squat. Then stand tall as you open both arms wide to the sides. This builds knee strength and core stability while supporting full body calorie burn to reduce belly fat. Beautiful job today. Your joints and muscles thank you for this healing movement. Which movement did your joints enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and practice daily.